Hey guys, this is Josh, NC Dirt Works. We're out here in Courtney, North Carolina, doing a little mulching job. This guy has two pretty good sized stand of pines that are kind of inundated with mostly sweet gum. And right now we're in here just cleaning up the sweet gum and thinning out the understory. This mower is doing a great job. We're very pleased with this mower. It's stout enough to take down a pretty good sized tree, chew it up real nice. And as you can see here, the thinner stuff, smaller saplings, it mows great. Dakota is actually operating this machine in this video. He's learned how to run it really efficiently, and he is doing an awesome job. He's really done great. If you like our content, please like and subscribe to our page. We really appreciate you watching.